back to the channel. This video is just a part 2 pretty much of the last video I posted. So this trade is this Monday trade I took. Again, we were looking for lower prices for the week. So after this trade, price hit that 1 hour fair value gap, if you remember in the last video. If you haven't, go watch it so you know what's going on. Keep updated with the week. So pretty much I was still looking for lower prices, even though I did take a trade Monday, that's Sunday Monday, and I hit TP at 3 a.m. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait for 8:30 a.m. see if I see anything. There wasn't any news. Price was just doing its thing, normal. And yeah, on the higher time frame, I wanted to see price tap back into this fair value gap, which price did, here. Well, pretty much this right here. So after 8:30, price ran above, tapped back into this 5-minute imbalance. I'm like, okay, just because of that I guess you can say that 5-minute liquidity that's resting below here and imbalances here, I'm targeting that. I'm not going to be targeting things outside like down here and all that until price gives more confirmation. When price tapped back into there, I sold. I literally sold right there. My stop loss was just above the 5-minute fair value gap or imbalance. You can see right here. Sold here after price broke down, showing that it wants to move lower. Got in here, targeting these lows here, taking profits. Really didn't, not really. Targeted here, take profit, and here. So pretty much majority of my trade off or position off here. And then I was anticipating price to move lower, like I was saying before, to drop all the way down to here. I was anticipating price to drop lower here. Took partials here, and then price low-key reversed. Throughout the day I was watching this, I was anticipating price to move down here to these lows, to before I got out. Here at 12 o'clock, I'm like, all right, I don't want to be in the trade anymore, dude. I don't know if it's gonna move lower. I don't really like being in the trades after a certain amount of time. And I'm like, all right, I got out. And as soon as I got out, I seen price start moving lower. I'm like, yeah, nice. It is what it is. I made money. I'll put up the profits up on the screen. So this was a solid trade. Fair, clean. Really should have held this last position because, what was that last position? I should have really held this last one around that midnight. Price hit those. That was a generational run, bro. I think on this trade I took a trade on my personal, so I'm still in this trade, which is pretty good. But like here, it would have been generational. That's that trade. Profits are up on the screen. Solid trade. Could have been a generational one though, but next time we'll be ready for that one. And then today's trade that I took, really I shouldn't have taken this trade. If you guys do want to see this breakdown, it will be the next video after this. Yeah, comment below, let me know if you did take any trades this week or if you didn't. I'm gonna break this trade down again. If you want to see this trade breakdown, it'll be in the next video. Until then, I'll see you guys.